get a chance, come on to me. Not a beer.
He's sweating. I'm sweating from walking around the train station.
Yeah,
What
whatever.
the hell's up with that, man? I get in, all the calculators at work. Look at that bad boy, huh? You gotta let the gas settle. You gotta wait about 117 seconds or something?
119.
119, there's 25. There it is.
Failed already.
He knows. The thing of it is, I didn't realize that the Guinness tap was a two-way tap. You know, normally it's like boom, you're done. But you know, it's like part one, and then you let all that settle, and then you slow fill by pushing forward. Not a problem.
Yeah, whatever.
Oh shit. No, boy, what happened there? Oh yeah, it's something good. And it's a dark black, but actually it's amber color.
Let's see if we can actually do this. I got one. I just want to
And that's the
you order something wrong.
That's outside.
You're like throwing out everything.
It's outside.
The most expensive one to do it. 119 seconds is how long? 119.5. I hope he does know he's pouring a Guinness.
We good?
Well, the other one pouring a Guinness.
Hey, we want a shamrock. And when you present it with the label to the front.
Where's your shamrock?
Yeah, where's the shamrock? Oh, I'm not that good. Don't get it twisted and shit. I'm not that good. I was like, oh.